This is Duba Plains Camp in the Duba Concession area of the Okavango Delta, which is leased to Great Plains Conservation by the Botswanan government. And this is room number 5 in Duba Plains Camp. Let's take a look at the room. So, it's the main room. Beautiful panorama view of the lagoon in front. This is the bedroom. There's a study desk. As you come around, this is the closet area with safes, robes, slippers, things like that. As we come around here, this is the wash basin and the tub, the brass tub. And then over here is a nice shower and a toilet to the left, which is just a toilet. So then let's take a look out on the deck. You can go out conveniently by going out the side door rather than usually having to zip up a netting in front of the room. Over here, nice sitting area, exercise bike. It's a view of the expansive lagoon that is in front of the room. Nice lounge area and a plunge pool. You can see the room through here. So there you have it. The rebuilt Duba Plains Camp. It was torn down and built from scratch just a little under a year ago. And it looks like it was worth doing. Duba Plains Camp in Okavango Delta in Botswana.